Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 12th, and this is my analysis of gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as possibly a 1. I still think this is possibly a 2, and I think that we're in a wave 3. If this really is a wave 3, then I think we're going to go all the way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension. Well, actually, the 161 Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2, which actually puts us all the way up to about the 2540 area. So I am very, very bullish on gold. It's going to take a long time to get up there. But going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think it's a 1, I think it's a 2, I think this is subdivision 3, so 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and 3 of 3. If this really is a 3 of 3, then yeah, maybe it will pull back on shorter time frames, but I think it will continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So going right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, the wave 3 definitely seems overextended, but I mean, who's to say it's overextended? I mean, maybe it will make a pullback, maybe it will even be a significant pullback, but for me, the trend is up. If this really is a wave 3 of 3 like I suspect it is, then this thing has a long ways to go to the upside. Now, we do have CPI interest rates coming out for the US dollar today, which is going to be a very, very significant news event. And then next Wednesday, we have interest rates for the US dollar. So we got CPI inflation data today, and then the next week on Wednesday we got interest rates for the U.S. dollar. So it's going to be a pretty big couple weeks. It does kind of seem like this is more likely that it would go down, make a 4 and a 5. But like I said, if it really is a wave 3, that it might just go down, make a correction, and just keep on trending up and not even be a 3, 4, 5. It might just be a subdivision of a much larger wave 3. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, for me, we still definitely do not have a break of structure to the downside. The last structure level for me is way over there. So at least for me personally, I do not trade below the 1 hour time frame anyways. But if it does go all the way down and break structure, then that would turn me into a seller. But right now, I would definitely primarily be looking for longs. We got news coming out today for the US dollar. The US dollar looks like it wants to go down for the news, and if the US dollar goes down, this is actually probably more likely to keep on going up. So even though on the higher time frames it looks like it should go down, it looks like it should be end at wave 3. If this really is a wave 3 of 3 on the monthly and weekly, it may just continue to make higher lows like it's been doing for the last couple of weeks, and may just keep on trending up. If it does go down and break this structure, that would turn me into a seller. But even at that point, I would be very cautious about selling, because I think, like I was saying on the higher time frames, it would just be a correction to the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.